Here are the steps of how a delegation can cast their vote in the case of a single bidder for the future World Scout events. Log into the eVoting system and be ready to cast your vote. When a vote is activated, it will show on the left side of your screen under the Active Vote header. It will include the progress bar, the timer, and the voter turnout. This vote will be opened at the end of the plenary. Your delegation will have about 20 hours to discuss and complete your vote. Click on the Active Vote. The detail of the selected vote will appear on the right side of your screen with the options to cast for your vote. For single bidders, your vote options are in favor, against, or abstain. Select the desired option to cast all your votes. If you wish to split your vote, click on the Split button to enable the function. Then, allocate your votes accordingly across the desired vote options. You can cast some or all your 6 votes. Depending on the size of your browser, the split vote will appear as a drop-down selection or a row with easy selection options from 0 to 6. You can select or unselect each option by clicking. Remember, you can cast some or all your votes. Carefully review your vote allocation is correct. Note that once you have cast your vote, no further changes can be made. Confirm your vote by clicking on the Confirm Vote button. As there will be votes on multiple world events, don't forget to cast your vote for each of them. Once you cast your vote, a confirmation message that your vote has been submitted will appear. The vote will be closed at the start of the following plenary about 20 hours later. The results will then be published and announced at a specific time during the plenary. Once published, you can see the overall results of the vote. You will also see that you voted, but not how you voted, as this is a secret ballot vote. For this vote on a single bidder for the World Scout events, the results are determined using simple majority. If there are more votes in favor than votes against, the bidder will be deemed appointed as the hosts for the event. Note that abstentions are not counted neither in favor nor against.